Well, howdy, tubers. Down at the Lake of the Ozarks, I brought a few airplanes. Not all will be flying off the water. Haven't put the wings on these yet, obviously. But brought some control lines, see if maybe get my boys coming down, see if he can try doing that. So if you counted, there's only 8 airplanes. Of course, what you probably didn't count was the 2 in the boxes, a mini Vapor and a night Vapor. So I don't know if this will even go. The internet's not doing too good down here, and it'll get even worse as we get into it. Isn't that right, Judy?
When more people come, man, internet goes.
There you go. There you go. God bless. Or wait, hang. Well, I'll take you outside. Of course, you probably all already stopped. Anyways, here's outside. Here's the boat to fly off of. And well, out there's the lake, river, whatever you want to call it. And this is Pat and Dave's place, and that's where Spiker come from. Little Spike, I told him I was coming down here today after flying yesterday. There you go. God bless.